My name is Devyanshu, and in this tutorial I will basically teach you how to create a local Git repository and then push it into your GitHub account. So let's get started. First of all, I will open my terminal and navigate to desktop, and now I will create a directory. Let's name it GitHub. Okay, now it has been created. Now I will navigate inside the directory. uh, okay, so the next step is to create a file inside the directory. So let's create a file learn underscore github. Okay, now the next step is to open that file in your text editor. Okay, so let me navigate it inside the directory. Okay, so now I have opened that particular file, and now let me add some content inside it. Hi, I am learning GitHub, something like that. Okay, let's save this. Now let me initialize a GitHub repository inside this particular directory, which can be initialized by writing git init. So now it basically shows us that we have initialized an empty git repository. Now git will basically take care of this repository on our behalf. It will basically detect changes that we will be making in the future in that particular repository. So let's write one command known as git status that basically tells us that whether we are tracking any particular file or not. So in this case we have an untracked file in our repository, that is on GitHub. So let's basically track this particular file. Okay, so when we will again type git status, then it will basically show us that now uh, we are tracking this particular file, and you need to leave some commit associated with this particular change that you have made in your file. So let me write a commit with a message that I'm getting started with GitHub. Okay, so now we have a commit on our name that basically states that I am getting started with GitHub. Okay, so this is what we have to done in a local desktop. Now we'll have to move to basically to our GitHub account, and we will create a repo in there. So let me create a new repository, and it is about learning GitHub. So a basic repository that is used for the purpose of learning GitHub. Okay, so let's create it. Okay, so now we need to add remote for a local repository in order to let us know the local repository that where it has to push the changes or the content that we have inside the directory. Okay, so now we have set the remote URL. Now basically we will push it to our GitHub account. Now it shows that the branch master is set up to track remote branch master from origin. So it basically implies that we have pushed a repository to our GitHub account, and that's it. We have posted it. Thank you so much for watching.